This recipe I have for you is a facial mask. It's the best that's out there. Ancient recipe used by Japanese women and helps you keep yourself youthful and young. So what we need to do is we need rice, honey, and milk. We need 3 tablespoons of rice, 1.5 cup of water, and you put it in a pot to boil it. Heat it up at high to medium for about 20 minutes and you let it boil. Once it's boiled, you could see it's thickened up a bit, but you still have a little bit of water, and then you drain it. You drain it as good as you can and you save everything. This recipe, you save everything and you'll be using all of these. Now you could eat with the rice. It's edible. We're gonna drain it first. And why is the rice so important, and honey and milk that's in this facial recipe? It's great because it cleanses the skin. Rice is rich in vitamin B, has also hydroxy oxides, so it helps also exfoliate the dead skin cells. So you have a bowl where you put the drained rice in, then you need 1 tablespoon of milk. Put it back in the pan or the pot that you use to cook your rice and heat it up in low temperature until it just boils a bit, and you can see it's already hot. You need hot milk. Pour it in there, 1 tablespoon of that, and then 1 tablespoon of honey. Now with the milk, it moisturizes your skin, treats the acne, reduces scars and pigmentation, and delays aging. This is the whole facial. Moisturizes your skin. That's what the honey does. It's a natural humectant, so it locks in the moisture in your skin. Now it treats acne. The honey acts as an antibacterial, so it helps. It stops the growth of harmful bacteria, and usually they have said that acne is caused by bacteria on the skin. Also, it helps to reduce scars and pigmentations. Milk has vitamin C in it, and that also helps with inflammation. You see in a lot of products that you see in the department stores, mainly they have vitamin C serum. So you get the natural vitamin C from milk. You don't have to get it from the serums. Honey has anti-inflammatory properties also, so it's great for irritation and inflammation that you see with acne. And it delays aging with this particular mask. It has the milk that helps your skin firm up and also reduces the appearance of your wrinkles. So now what I'm doing is, after all the ingredients have been added, you make it into a paste as fine as you can. You use a spoon and push down the rice and make a nice thickened paste. And with that, it looks great. Now I'm just showing you on the back of my hand. When you apply it on the face, you need to just smear it, not just put it nicely on the face. You need to make sure you smear the rice on the skin and massage it in. So there you go. Hope you enjoyed this, and take care of yourself.